Hey, welcome to the Soul Sister channel for your Friday, July 16th and Saturday, July 17th astrology forecast. My name is Kat. I am an accredited astrologer for over 25 years through the American Federation of Astrologers. I'm also a spiritual life coach and a tarot reader. I've been working with astrological energy for all that time, and I've learned how to recognize energy and then consciously use energy to co-create, to create the life I want. I want to share with all you guys what I have learned over the past quarter of the century. It has made such a big difference in my life, and I want to share what I have learned with you so you can also experience an incredible difference in your lives as well. We're going to get started today like we always do by becoming balanced and aligned and connected with our higher selves by taking our 3 deep cleansing breaths. Let's take the first one. On this first deep cleansing breath, we're releasing all disease, negativity, and toxicity from our physical etheric bodies. Second breath. On this second breath, we're releasing all disease, negativity, and toxicity from our emotional astral bodies. Good. Third breath. On this third breath, we're releasing all disease, negativity, and toxicity from our mental bodies, both higher and lower. We see all the negativity, all that darkness leaving our bodies. It's flowing right out. And in its place, we're being filled up by this beautiful white light that not only fills our bodies, but then goes out and forms this beautiful bubble of white light, love, and the will to good all around us. And this bubble is deflecting all evil, low vibration, and negativity back to its source. While we are in this space, balanced, aligned, and connected with our higher selves, we are going to say our July affirmation: as above, so below. The entire universe is contained within me, and from that space, I grow and glow. We're going to say it together. We're going to stay in this space of white light connected with our higher selves for 5 seconds. Let's say it together. As above, so below. The entire universe is contained within me, and from that space, I grow and glow. 4, 3, 2, 1. Great. Well, I don't know if you've had a chance to check it out yet, but I did publish a 15-minute guided meditation on YouTube yesterday. You can find it on my playlist of the monthly guided meditation playlist. I'm going to be doing one for each sun sign. So the one that's available is our current sun sign, Sun in Cancer, and then I will be coming out not only with a 15-minute guided meditation for Sun in Leo, but don't forget, I'm also doing the monthly meditations, the monthly astrology forecasts. So I will be doing a forecast for August coming up fairly soon as well. So you can get ready for that. Well, we made it to Friday. It's been a heck of a great week. Would you agree? Oh my gosh, so light and free and dreamy, and we're not getting our work done at work like we should, and today's not any different. We're just not feeling getting down to work and to the grind. We're more about chillaxing, enjoying the summertime here in the Northern Hemisphere, and hanging out like we have this whole week with friends, family, with our sweetie, our significant other. So that continues today. We still have the moon in Libra, so we're still working on our relationships. If we're having any relationship issues where we're out of whack, or we need to address something that is bringing either of us angst in the relationship, this is a great time to work on that and bring balance. I do want to warn us, though, there is a little nasty inconjunct. Don't usually talk about inconjuncts, but we've got the Venus and Leo inconjunct Neptune in Pisces. I had to close my eyes so I could see it. So during these relationship discussions with each other, there might be a secret that comes out, something that one of us didn't want the other to know. So be prepared for that. Be prepared also for our partner maybe not wanting to be as truthful as they should with us, as far as getting down to whatever is at the bottom of our issue. Same for us. We don't need to be painting a little fantasy story for ourselves. We need to be clear and truthful today with our partner, and that will overcome that little energy that we kind of, there's that part in that little devil guy in our heads. Oh, just tell her a story. Just tell him this. If we're just going to embellish it just a little. No. Today, we're going to keep to the truth. So, in our relationships, in our work with our relationships, because Moon does go void of course on Saturday morning at 4 a.m. and it's void of course until 11:38 a.m. when it goes into Scorpio. Oh, what a great date night. What a great night for passionate sex. I can't believe it all aligned for Saturday night. That's awesome. So we have the moon in Scorpio. All of our emotions are intensified. Not only our passion, not only our love, but also our jealousy, our feelings of betrayal. Those are intensified too. Another energy that comes along with this moon in Scorpio is where we're giving our power away. Are we giving our power away in a narcissistic relationship that keeps us exhausted and unfulfilled? That's something we might want to look at today. So it's the energy that moon in Scorpio is all about intense emotional energy and the energy of our power and making sure we hold our power, because you know life is lived from the inside out, right? Right. So great weekend coming up. The fun, the good vibes just keep continuing. As long as you're not at work, because we are having a hard time getting things done this week, because we'd rather be off on the beach or in the woods or just hanging and chilling out and enjoying the season. But we'll get to do that this weekend. So that's good news, huh? Oh, wow, what a great week. I really enjoyed doing all the daily forecasts this week because it was all good stuff. All good stuff. It was great. The universe doesn't let us down. You know, we've been working really hard, and the universe says, okay, time out. You guys get a little break today. So, anyway. Time for a nap? Perfect. Can I say anything else? Time for a nap. Unfinished symphony. Some of us have unfinished business. In this case, it probably is a relationship. Like I was talking about earlier, we have to work on some issues in our relationship to help bring balance and alignment to them. And this is a great time, great energy of support to help us really work on that and come to some kind of conclusion, consensus some compromise that we both can live with. The other part of this energy is some of us keep attracting the same kind of narcissistic, manipulative, and controlling relationship that leaves us so unfulfilled, so unsatisfied, so exhausted. This is our chance. We're in the dreamy state, for goodness sake. Let's check in with our higher self by taking our 3 deep cleansing breaths. Better yet, do the guided meditation that I put out on Thursday and get in touch with that part of ourselves that allows us to continue to attract such negative energy. Why? It's time to break that cycle. And the best place to start is with higher self. Co-create. Start with higher self and co-create the life we want. Co-create that relationship that we want in our lives to replace that unhealthy, unbalanced, selfish relationship that we're in. So have a great weekend. See me on Sunday for your weekly forecast for July the 18th. I can't wait to see you. I won't see you tomorrow. It's my day off. Remember to come see me on Facebook at Soul Sister Cat for my daily inspirational messages. And don't forget the keynote for this station. Life is lived from the inside out. Have a great Friday and weekend. I will see you Sunday. Namaste.